Bangladesh is on the brink. Just weekends before the massive February 2026 election is the Crown Prince is back. After 17 years in London, BNP leader Tareck Rohoman has touched down in Dhaka, but he is not returning to a quiet country. Protesting are exploding after the assassinate of students leader Osman Hadi. Rahman warns of a collapsing economy and growing energy once sentenced to life for the 2024 and 2004 grand attack. Rahman was alarmed and he left the country. Now he is the BNP's ultimate real figure. With the election set for February 12, can Rahman turn the BNP into governing force, or will legal harness save him? So BNP already won the election and he will make the government, I think, after 2 or 3 days later. And we also pray for BNP and the others, the other parties like Jamaat, NCP, and BJP. So thank you for watching still this video.